Heating with wood has never been easier thanks to the Classic Edge HDX from Central Boiler. You'll enjoy the escape of the outdoors while finding financial freedom and energy independence, all with the easy-to-use, low-maintenance Classic Edge HDX.
You can heat your home, outbuildings, and have endless hot water while burning half the wood of traditional methods. It's unlike any other outdoor furnace on the market.
The Classic Edge HDX works with a wide variety of firewood. The better the wood, the better it works.
For years, people thought that downdraft furnaces only worked with perfectly dry wood. Well, not anymore.
The Classic Edge HDX is EPA certified. It meets 2020 emission standards, and it's easy to use for everyday people. You can load it and forget it.
So let's take a look at how this design works. We'll start with the FireStar combustion controller.
The FireStar controller takes all the worry and guesswork out of wood heating. It does this by constantly monitoring the fire and adjusting the amount of air added to keep the fire going.
It's all about the air. Wood with a higher moisture content needs a lot of air to keep it burning great. The controller takes care of that for you. It's kind of like a cruise control on your car, except in this case, it's constantly throttling the air to find the optimal burn.
The controller even tells you how well the furnace is operating by displaying the optimal burn percentage. Here the furnace is at 98% and it's constantly adjusting, trying to get to 100% of its optimal burn.
Adding to the performance of the furnace is this thing down here, which we call the afterburner. This is like a turbocharger for efficiency. Now the wood burns and the smoke and the gases are pushed down through the coal bed into the afterburner. This causes the torch-like flame to swirl, creating what we call a fireball. It increases efficiency, reduces ash, and greatly lessens the appetite of the outdoor furnace for wood.
With everything the Classic Edge HDX has to offer, you'll burn 50, even 60% less wood than with traditional methods.
It is burning way less wood than the old one did. You know, less than half of what I was with the old stove. This is what a 12-hour burn of wood looks like for us. That'll last that stove 12 hours.
Currently on the EPA wood stove database of over 130 heating appliances tested with stick wood to the EPA requirements, the Classic Edge HDX design holds the top 3 spots for overall efficiency. That's number 1, number 2, and number 3 out of over 130 furnaces.
Inspection and cleaning is not a problem on the Classic Edge HDX. There are no hidden nooks and crannies. With the reaction chamber door in the front and the Easy View heat exchanger in the back, you have full access to the furnace with no tools required.
Every Classic Edge HDX is built with a stainless steel firebox for superior corrosion resistance. With stainless steel, Central Boiler has never had a failure from corrosion in the firebox, ever.
You're not going to hurt the furnace from burning wood. It's built to last a lifetime. We covered a lot about the Classic Edge HDX, but the only thing to remember is that this furnace is easy. Fill it with wood, heat your home, outbuildings, and have endless hot water.
This furnace does just about everything for you. The FireStar controller has onboard Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect the furnace to your home Wi-Fi network. You can easily monitor your furnace from anywhere and even get text alerts like if the furnace needs to be loaded with wood.
The controller also lets you enjoy both smoke-free reloading with the clean reload option and quick, hassle-free restarts with the easy refire feature. Once you start operating the Classic Edge HDX, you will never want to go back.
The Classic Edge HDX comes in multiple sizes to fit whatever application you have. Visit centralboiler.com for more information and to find a dealer near you.